Am I here today?
Gavin.
Okay. So, does this guy look gay or straight?
Okay.
Okay. Now, do you think other people think... No, wait, what are you? Do you think other people think so?
Hey, what am I here today?
Joshua.
Josh. Okay, so you see this person.
Aye.
You think he's gay or straight?
Pussy guy. He say pure.
Always.
Aye.
Do you think people think you're gay or straight?
You think I'm straight, yeah?
Always, sure.
Hello, who am I with?
Kieran Don.
Can I ask you that? Does bro look gay or straight?
Okay.
Does it look gay?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think if I take a picture of you and show it to someone, are they gonna think that you're gay or straight?
Straight.
Hey, am I here today?
Yo, Johnny.
Okay. Does this man look gay or straight?
I look straight.
Okay. Do you think other ones will think you look gay or straight?
I straight.
Okay, so what am I here today?
Leandre.
Okay, Leandre. You see this, bruh? Do you think he's gay or straight?
Nah, he's straight.
He's straight.
Yeah.
Always, so if I take a picture of you now, do you think people are gonna say you're gay or straight?
They're gonna say I'm straight.
Is it? Why do you?
Sure.
Why do you say this man looks straight?
Because, look at him. The guy is gebouw.
Always. Sure.